If you're seeing an ad blocker detected message in Firefox, don't worry. This usually happens because Firefox's built-in protection or one of your extensions is blocking elements the site needs to load properly. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to fix the issue step by step so you can get back to reading, watching, or browsing without those annoying warnings. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common fix, which is turning off Firefox's enhanced tracking protection for that specific website. This is important because Firefox tracking protection can behave a lot like an ad blocker, especially on news sites, media sites, and pages that rely on third-party content. First, open the website where you're seeing the ad blocker detected warning. Then, look at the left side of the address bar right next to the website URL and click the shield icon. That shield icon is Firefox's privacy protection menu for this site. Once you click it, you'll see an option for enhanced tracking protection. Right now, it's probably turned on. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. As soon as you do that, Firefox should automatically refresh the page. In many cases, that alone is enough to remove the warning and let the website load normally. If the message disappears, great, you're done with the first fix. But if you're still seeing the ad blocker detected message, the next step is to temporarily pause your ad blocking extension. This is useful when the website is still detecting a blocker even after turning off Firefox's built-in protection. To do this, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then click Extensions and Themes. After that, click Extensions to view the add-ons installed in your browser. Find your ad blocking extension, such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or any similar tool, and look for the pause or disable option. If the extension allows it, pause it only for that specific website instead of turning it off completely. That way, you keep your blocker active everywhere else while allowing the site you trust to load properly. If you don't see a site-specific pause option, you may need to temporarily disable the extension, refresh the page, and then turn it back on again after the page loads. Just remember to re-enable it when you're finished. A quick tip here, if you're on a site you trust and it keeps showing the same warning, always try the Firefox shield icon first before disabling any extensions. That's usually the safest and fastest fix. Also, if you use multiple privacy tools, keep in mind that more than one blocker can trigger the same message, so you may need to test them one by one. Once you've completed these steps, the website should load without the ad blocker warning. So to recap, first, disable Firefox's enhanced tracking protection for that site, and if needed, temporarily pause your ad blocking extension. That combination solves most ad blocker detected issues in Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.